In the cool weather of East London, the trialists played very hard and showed no mercy towards one another. The match was full of strong aggression and high tension. A total of 72 players took part, but only 9 were chosen. The Chippa College and Sport Academy offers many sports like soccer, rugby, swimming, cricket, netball, tennis, and volleyball. The head of development of Chippa United, Vukile Mlanjana, says this campaign has started and will continue. They are also working with the School of Excellence to create more chances for players.
Every year, we will be doing the same thing every year. We'll be doing the trials every year. So also what makes it more special is that Chippa, if you record that Chippa is going to run the School of Excellence in Jamestown. Used to be under Transnet, now it will be under Chipco. So any boy that is excelling to Chippa Sports Academy here in East London will be taken automatically to School of Excellence with a free bursary.
The 14-year-old girl from West Bank, Lena from Ebenezer Majombos High School, Ivani Mvambi, who plays for SA Monaco FC, got selected by the academy. In 2023, this promising young player represented the Eastern Cape squad in Gauteng. Ivani says that playing with boys and working hard will help her succeed, and she is eager to play in big leagues.
Like mandidlala namakhwengene fenabona phaya if unzozimisela ndiyakuthi.
Okay.
Into ndifuna ukuyizuza ndifuna uba yiplayer eyaziwayo, iplayer ezodlala eTV ibukelwa abantu.
The 13-year-old and skillful forward Lehle Mgqibisa, who put himself a place on the academy, he says he wants to succeed in sport and academics as he is able to balance school and soccer. But he loves being the soccer player the most.
Ufuna ujoina le academy, ndifunela udlala ibhola ndizophumelela ngoba liphupho lami elo and ndifuna nofunda. Ngiyakwazi ubalance but sometimes isikakhulu ndithanda ibhola isikakhulu than isikolo, but ndiyakwazi ubalance konuku. Mna ndiyacinga uba apha kwesi sikolo ndizawuzisa imfundo and ne-communication nabanye abantu.
The Chippa College and Sport Academy will be officially opened on the 15th of January 2026. Only 200 students will be registered for. For Mpuma Kapa TV, I am Dumisino Nagasa in East London.